Hello, friends. Welcome back to another session of my financial predictions. Remember, guys, we are covering natural gas and Forex. So today is the 25th of August. Let's see what happened in these last couple days. So, according to the prediction, we were expecting a very volatile day. It could go either way. There was no clear trend for that day. Maybe if we had a box for that day, but at least the 24 was supposed to be a green day and possibly even tomorrow another green day as well. 22 was a especially very volatile day. So let's see what happened there. So if we go back all the way to this, we'll see that the 22 was a volatile day, not as volatile as I expected, but it was a volatile day nonetheless. Let's return very briefly to the chart. So I was expecting, okay, so no clear trend as well. Was going to be kind of undecided according to the chart. But the 24 was supposed to be a green day. Now let's check out and to see if that actually happened. So 24, well, basically kind of a day in range. I mean, very slightly an uptrend, but mostly just in range. So what else do you want me to say? And let's just finish up with today, 25. So another volatile day with no clear trend, just like we saw. And according to this prediction, we actually got I mean, it was more volatile than yesterday, way more active. But yeah, guys, this is, especially compared to Bitcoin, this is not much, not a big movement. And it goes up for today. But yeah, just like I was expecting, all of these days basically in a range. It's a massive range that we can see from the 12th of August all the way to 25th of August. And I believe this will continue even more. And maybe, just maybe, we'll see corrections around the last 3 to 4 days of August. And that's where maybe this will break out in a correction, in a downtrend, especially around the 27, 28, or 29. And out of all of these 3 days, I do believe that the most potential for the hardest correction is going to be the 29. So be prepared to actually see that happening because the chart is out there. It's telling me very clearly that natural gas is going to go down around those days. So that's for natural gas. Again, an interesting chart. Not so fun to actually analyze because it's trending mostly in range. It will have been better for me, way more interesting for everyone if this was way more active. But this is a commodity prediction, so very nice because this is actually the first time ever in my history doing a prediction of natural gas, I believe. I already covered gold, already covered oil. I believe another one that I'm kind of missing right now, but yeah, natural gas is a new addition, so it's good to train on this. And because we are very near the end of the month already like 5, 6 days maybe left. So maybe it's time to actually start inviting all of you to actually submit your suggestions regarding the next crypto predictions. Okay, I mean, the next financial predictions. If you want to see the crypto predictions, you can go to my other channel. So yeah, guys, give me all the suggestions that you want me to predict for the next month of September. If you want to see gold, if you want to see forex, and what kind of forex pair, all of that. Write down in the comments what you want to see. Okay, so let's finish with forex because, like I said, natural gas actually was not kind of it was kind of boring for these days. Not the case for forex. We can see that. Uh, I don't know if I talk about this in previous days, but these ellipses that you see are basically enlarged circles. For some people that don't know geometry, don't know what an ellipse is, these represent the weekly predictions. So that means, for example, this week from the 18th to the 24th of August was going to be a correction week. And if we actually try to look at this, we'll see that the 18th starts right around here, and the 24th, which is the final day of that week, ends right there. So indeed, we got a correction week. It was fully red, as you can see. So, for example, that the price fell on the 22, which was going to be a very volatile day with no clear trend because both of these two opposite trends were kind of fighting over that same day. But it ended up being a massive correction, as you can see right there. Very, very powerful correction. 24 was supposed to be a green day. Let's check out what happened on that day. So 24 basically kind of in range, just like we saw. Very, very small uptrend. So mostly just in range. And the 25 was supposed to be a volatile day with, let's see, with no clear direction. It was only supposed to be a very volatile day, more active. And that's exactly what we saw. Actually, this is a perfect example of a mixed day, what I call mixed days, where the trends are kind of mixed. As you can see, it starts with a small impulse, followed by a powerful correction, and later recovers and fully recovers and goes even higher. So very interesting for the dollar this week, the final week for the US dollar against the Mexican peso. It's going to be possibly mostly volatile or kind of in range because a yellow color for this week means exactly like the other ones in circles, days. Basically, expect this week to be kind of undecided, some volatility maybe here and there. Especially, I believe the only very volatile days left for August are around the 28 to the 31. And again, very much like natural gas, 29 looks like a very dangerous day for longs, meaning that it's going to go down. Markets are going to go down on that day. So we'll cover that in the next video. You'll see me again kind of soon. So around Thursday, I believe, or Friday if I can. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for you. Again, like, share, and subscribe. Follow the work. Very interesting stuff happening there. Lots of success with the clients. Very happy about that, and also very happy that many people are also making money with this knowledge, which is actually what I intend to do, help people make some money. So, having said that, guys, take care. I'll see you guys later. Just like, share, and subscribe, and until next time.